Well, studying. Hey guys, this is your host, Robert Valentino. Welcome to another episode of Monate Stays. Tonight is the episode number 3. We are at the City of Gold, the City of Parting. It's Maboneng. This is where everything literally happens. We're going to an apartment by craftsmanship, so we're gonna review all about it, and the lifestyle and the food in Maboneng is absolutely amazing. We've tasted the food in my Mai and stuff like that. So guys, come with me and join me in this episode. Thank you. So tonight, guys, we are where the party is. This is in Maboneng. The address is 260 Main Street. The apartment names are Craftsmanship. We are in a bachelor apartment. It goes for 550 per night. You guys will see the place is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful and it's also peaceful, and it's at the heart of the club lives in Maboneng. Come see it with me. Join me, guys. The first thing that you see when you enter this apartment compound is the garden. It's absolutely stunning, and you have a young swimming pool that you can go and relax after a few drinks. Remember, we're in Maboneng, guys. This is the party lifestyle. When you walk through to the apartment, it's very clean. I have to talk about the cleanliness of the apartments. They're very clean, they're very beautiful, they're very spontaneous, and also black and white. You can never go wrong with black and white. That's why I'm wearing black and white, guys. So let's go to the apartment. The first thing that you'll see when you open this door is the apartment small balcony is absolutely clean. It's absolutely clean. It's stunning, guys. Let's go into your young paradise in Maboneng. This is one spectacular thing you will notice about Monate Stays is the ambient LED lights. Every time when you go into Monate Stays apartments, you will see that special quality about the apartments. It's absolutely stunning. And when you look at the floating TV stand, it's clean. It's so big though. It's absolutely gigantic. The smart TVs, you get the smart TVs as well. And you get Wi-Fi in this apartment for the price of 550. This place is absolutely, stunning. Let's go to the bathroom and we'll go on the total overview of the apartment. Coming into the bathroom, guys, you will see that the bathroom is compatible. It shows that this apartment caters for 2 people. You see you have a clean shower. I love the black and white theme. And you get to see yourself in the mirror. You know, remember, if you want to look at the most gorgeous and handsome person, is the one looking at you at the mirror. So I also love the mat as well to give you that view of warmth while you're bathing or helping yourself out. And the shower, it's absolutely clean. So the bathroom, I must say, is compatible and it gives you the platform of 2 people. Let's go into the living area. The living area, it's sex couch. This is a sex couch, isn't it? It is a sex couch. It is. Oh, and it's so flipping comfortable. I love the couch. I'm not gonna call the first name because YouTube doesn't allow us to say that name, does it? Yeah, no, it doesn't. So yeah, it's a couch. It's a, let's just say, a relaxing couch for now. And I love the table, the side table that it gives you. And I must talk about the main table. I don't know why it's sitting like this. Is it a new design? I think maybe it's new design, guys. It's more like it's floating. It's like a floating table. I love also the couch, the 2 main seater couch. It's absolutely stunning. It gives you the platform to sit with your partner and watch the TV. And I told you the one thing that I love about Monate Stays apartment, it must be the floating TV stand with an ambient light. So also when you look onto your left area, you will see it's your bed. This is a double side bed, I think. Yeah, picture that shows you more of nature. Remember this place, I think the theme is more of nature. If you can see outside the garden, it's peaceful, and also the swimming pool area, more like the lake, will give you that view. So I love also the portrait picture that they show here. And the one thing that I've noticed as well is the wardrobes. You get a 3 side door wardrobe, and you also get the 2 side door wardrobes as well. So for space as well, if you're here to party and you have your hubblies and stuff like that, you can put your things to be safe in one area, and you get your side tables as well. So this place is compatible, especially for the price of 550, guys. This place caters for all market, especially us, the people who go to the parties. Why is it, man? It's in Maboneng, guys. So this place, I must say, it's absolutely stunning for that price. If you can look at this area, you also get a stove to cook, a microwave, a bar fridge as well, and you also get when you do your dishes. So it's compatible. I mean, you get the free space to do whatever you want in this area. So I must say, this is quite good. It's quite nice. You also get a mirror for your slave queens and stuff. Those who want to look at themselves in the mirror before they go party, they get that as well. And yeah, man, I can actually book this place, especially for events like Cotton On and stuff like that, because Cotton On is hosted in Newtown. This place is
Cotton Fest.
Cotton Fest. No, it's fine, guys. Oh, did I just say Cotton On? Yeah, no, I just showed my age right there, guys. If you want to know how old I am, I feel like that has shown my age. So Cotton Fest as well is hosted in Newtown. So this area is right close to Newtown. So this place, you can also book it for such event, or when you go to Maboneng, or when you want to host a couple of friends. I feel like this place gives you the platform to do whatever. If you can look at the total overview of this apartment, stunning. And the cleanliness, we must talk about the cleanliness as well. The people that are the host, thank you for the host for allowing us to actually come and review their stays and stuff. So for more hosts, if you are hosting Airbnbs and you want Monate Stays to come, evaluate and review your apartment, your Airbnb apartments in your booking.coms or your hotel, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in order for us to email you, leave your email address or email you and come and evaluate your stay. But remember, we're going to come and sleep there. We need to sleep there and fill the view and give you a total review of how the apartment has treated us. Tomorrow will be a Friday. We'll be sitting here as well for a Friday. We're spending the night here in order to fill the view of Maboneng totally. Because we need to know how it feels, especially for us, the party poopers, the people that don't sleep. We'll be here. So we need to review your apartments in order for us to know the total view. Remember, here there's no filter. We're going to talk about the apartment, how it is, the experience, and also we're going to give the bad reviews as well. I feel like the only bad review I've noticed in this apartment is the network. The network connection is quite bad at times. For you to give a call, you need to go outside, unless if you connected to the Wi-Fi. So that is the only thing that we saw about this apartment. But rather than that, it's absolutely stunning. We love our stay in this apartment. Thank you for hosting us, Craftsmanship. Thank you for hosting us, Maboneng. It's been absolutely a pleasure being here. Next week, we're going to Cape Town. Wow!